Welcome to Flowchart 101. Today we'll be showing you 1. How to make a flowchart, and 2. When to use a flowchart. You may be wondering, what is a flowchart? Well, let me tell you. A flowchart is a representation of a sequence of steps in a diagram. Flowcharts are used to develop understanding of how a process is done, study a process for improvement, communicate to others how a process is done, and to document a process. Before you attempt to draw a flowchart, here are some commonly used symbols to represent different steps in a flowchart. A rounded rectangle and oval represent the start and the end of a process. The regular shaped rectangle represents steps in the process. A diamond represents questions in the process. An arrow represents decision and direction of flow. A parallelogram represents input and output of the process. The half oval represents a delay or wait in the process. And the flag-shaped image represents documents and/or images. To start drawing the flowchart, here are some steps to follow. Step 1. Think of the process you want to be diagrammed. Step 2. Identify where or when the process begins and ends. Step 3. Write down steps involved in the process in any order. Sequence is not important at this point. Step 4. Organize the steps in sequential order. Put the steps in the appropriate shapes. Step 5. Draw arrows between the shapes to show the direction of flow from one activity to another. Congratulations! You have successfully drawn a flowchart. Your flowchart should resemble something like this.